Good morning, children. I'm teacher Fiona, and this week we are going to learn about the preposition of time. The most common preposition we use for time are at, in, on, and for. The first one is at. We use at to indicate precise times. These are the examples of using at for precise time. At sunset, at sunrise, at bedtime, at noon, at dinner time, at midnight, at 11:30 p.m., at 12 o'clock, and at lunchtime. Now, let's look at the examples of sentences. Number 1. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. Number 2. The shop closes at midnight. Number 3. Jen went home at lunchtime. The second one is in. We use in to indicate months, year, and long period of time. Now, let's look at the examples. In 2010, in 18th century, in the 1960s, in the next century, in the Ice Age, in February, in the Middle Ages, in the summer, and finally, in the past. Next, we will look at the examples of sentences. Number 1. It often snows in December. Number 2. Do you think we will go to Jupiter in the future? Number 3. There should be a lot of progress in the next century. The third preposition is on. We use on for days and dates. Let's look how we use on to indicate days and dates. On Tuesday, on Saturday, on 5th of April, on 12th March 2019, on Sunday mornings, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve, on Independence Day. Now, let's look at the example of sentences. Number 1. Do you work on Mondays? Number 2. Her birthday is on 20th of November. Number 3. Where will you be on New Year's Day? The fourth preposition is for. We use for to tell the duration of time you use to do something. For example, for an hour, for a day, for a week, for a month. So how do we use for in a sentence? Let's look at the examples. Number 1. I will be traveling for a month. Number 2. I have lived in Sabah for 10 years. Number 3. My mom will be working for 2 days in Sarawak. And that's the end of our lesson for this week. If you have any question, you can put it in Google Classroom. Thank you for listening. Bye!